thing about lace wig wearers that a lot of times people think that you wear lace wigs, that you got alopecia from lace wigs. I'm not saying it's not possible, but as a woman who never wore lace wigs, who never had that experience of having alopecia because of me wearing wigs or braids or anything, the goal is for me to teach you how to wear wigs properly. So although I have alopecia, scarring alopecia, it's an autoimmune disease, right? So it had already started before I even wore a wig. And I'm going to tell you, I wear a wig on a full-time basis, and I still have my edges. These are all my natural edges, right? So when people say, oh my gosh, you wear lace wigs, it's going to pull your edges out. Not if you're doing it properly. So that was the goal of the step protect in regards to what are you going to do to your hairline to protect your skin while you're wearing the lace wigs, but also protect your wig in regards to the maintenance and the wear and tear of it, right? So in protect the first step of protect is always to make sure you're wearing a skin guard when you are using a wig. So that's something that you're going to put around your hairline, and it's called guarding my skin.